Hi Scorpio, I'm Anisha. I'm recording today at Pangongso Lake in the Ladakh region in the far north of India. This is a 130 kilometer long saltwater lake at a 14,500 foot altitude. It's a beautiful land of mountains and lakes and is the home of numerous ancient Buddhist monasteries. It's quite a beautiful and an apt time to be recording this video as we've just had the lovely transit of Jupiter move from Virgo to Libra, which is all about peace, it's about love, it's about cooperation, and it's about fairness. So Scorpios, we have, it's quite a powerful month for you. We have both your rulers, that is Mars and Pluto, that are conjuncting in a part of your chart that is about community, it is about your siblings, and it is also about short distance travel. And during this time you're going to be feeling a great surge of physical energy and determination to be achieving your goals. However, try and be very careful of your own motives, as your desire for power, wealth and success may lead you to use unfair means or even manipulative tactics. So try and sort of keep your ego at check, which you could be feeling quite strongly about, that why is it that you can't get certain something, or why it is that you're not able to achieve something. And also you could be driven to communicate exactly as how it is that you think. So while yes, it's good to express and articulate, but try and not to sort of roughshod people or roughshod opinions and say, no, what I think is the right thing to be doing, or this is the right way and I deserve better. So try and be careful over there. The first few weeks we have Venus that is there in your own house, and that's quite a lovely time. You could be focusing on yourself. In fact, a lot of retail therapy is expected. A lot of you will be changing your appearances, maybe going in for a complete new wardrobe. On the 8th we have Mercury that is joining Jupiter and Sun that is there in your house of spirituality. It's behind the scenes, and this also is a house which is a house of service, but then also this is where we almost become undone. It's a house of secrets as well. And with Mercury being over there, it can be that it's not the best of time where you're going to be seeking parties or groups of people, and the best ideas are going to be coming to you when you're on your own by yourself. And you could be quite reluctant to share any of your thoughts, opinion or decisions. It's quite a secretive time, Scorpios. You could be not wanting to let anyone know exactly what it is that you're thinking. On the 16th we have a full moon that is there in your house of day-to-day chores, work and health, and this also is joining Uranus that has been there for quite some time. And it's a time where it's a time when if you've been trying to break a habit for the longest of time, Scorpios, you will be able to do it. It's a great time to be letting go of old patterns, and you may decide to make a change to your health suddenly. Maybe you may just get yourself a personal trainer. A lot of focus this month, Scorpio, because we have a new moon over there as well on in your own house, where you're going to be putting yourself first, how it is that you're looking, how it is that you're dressing. A complete rehaul of sorts is going to be taking place for you, and try and however do things in moderation, especially as far as your work is concerned, because with the full moon being over there, some of you may just feel that this is not the work that you should be doing, and you may just decide to sort of call it quits. But ensure that you have a plan B and you don't do things quite rashly and impulsively. And also don't be overtly emotional and crazed if you can't make these sudden life transforming changes in your life. Try and do take small steps at a time and see to it that the change happens. On the 19th we have Venus that is moving into your house of earned income and retail therapy against Scorpios. It seems to be quite a month of self-indulgence. We have Venus that is the natural ruler of this particular house, wherein that you will feel that there's a lot of financial pressure that has got lifted, and it can also be a time where you are making financial improvements to your life, both at your work and also in your personal life. And it's a general time of optimism, and this is a time because Venus is also about self-worth in this particular part of your chart. You will want to feel more secure in your life, and whether it is through spending money, having more physical objects around you that make you feel good. And also the The people that you could be most attracted to during this time, it can be the who make you feel quite secure with your life and really increase your self-esteem and share your values. And also a lot of you are going to be seeking partners who are generally quite secure and more stable, or could be far more older than you as well. It's because this is a transit of Venus into this part of your house, you can expect some amount of exchange of money, but try not to equate yourselves with the amount of money that is there in your bank or the amount of wealth that the money is able to get with your self-worth over here. On the 23rd, we have Sun that is there in your own house, which is followed by Mercury on the 25th, and then finally there is a spectacular new moon that is there on the 30th. So again, the focus is on you, and it's going to be birthday time soon for you Scorpios. It's a time where you are again going to be paying a lot of attention on your appearances, making changes in the way that you look, the way that you behave, the way that you express yourself publicly. And there's going to be a need of wanting attention more than usual and wanting to be in the spotlight. It's almost a time as if you worked hard for something, Scorpios, and now you're looking at accolades, or you're looking at some form of recognition that comes your way. And reinvention of the outer self is great during this time, but also try and focus on things on a subconscious, on an emotional level that can be changed, or that can be tweaked, or that can be managed around this time. Your energy could be higher, which is quite good because you're likely to be quite busy towards the end of the month, and you're gearing for your birthday, Scorpios. Quite a lovely time to be trying something new, something that you've been quite gun shy about earlier. So a lot of you could be maybe picking up new projects, new jobs, something that you've not worked at earlier, but it will prove to be quite fruitful for you. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Scorpios, and immense gratitude to be able to share this place for you in Ladakh. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.